Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal app. You will go to settings as you see and you will enter. Here we go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about PayPal and you will click. In this window of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next